Although it's one of the brand's smallest offerings, the 2023 GLB 35 SUV still packs Mercedes AMG's signature punch. Starting with the Benz-branded GLB 250 as its basis, the mad scientists at AMG swapped out that SUV's 221 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder for a more powerful 302 horsepower Turbo 4. They also tweaked the GLB's chassis components to sharpen handling and deliver a more fun-to-drive responsiveness to your control inputs, but the trade-off is a rough ride over broken pavement. Those performance-enhancing goodies bring with them a big price hike over the standard Benz GLB, but to sweeten the deal, Mercedes AMG equips the GLB 35 with a lot more standard features. Rival small SUVs such as the BMW X2 M35i and the Mini Cooper Countryman JCW offer similar thrills, but the GLB 35's boxy body and larger overall size make it an easier crossover to live with, as it provides more space for hauling people and cargo. A third row of seats is even available, but we'll warn you that the way back is no place for adults. The GLB 35 is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-litre 4-cylinder that makes 302 horsepower, an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive are both standard. At our test track, the GLB 35 snapped off a brisk 4.9-second run to 60 miles per hour. Handling is fairly sharp and playful, but the GLB 35's stiff-legged ride is the compromise for its fun-to-drive nature. We expect a higher-powered GLB 45 model to become available at some point, powered by the higher-output version of the turbocharged 2.0-litre that makes 382 horsepower in the revamped CLA 45 sedan. A reconfigurable digital gauge display blends seamlessly into a large widescreen infotainment system behind a single glass panel. Mercedes' new MUX infotainment software allows for voice recognition as well as touchpad and gesture-controlled interactions with the system. An onboard Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto are all standard. Navigation is optional. We've found the GLB 35's infotainment software and its various interaction methods to be fussy, which has been our experience with the system in other Mercedes products. What's new for 2024? The Mercedes AMG GLB 35 takes on a sharper look for 2024 with an updated front bumper, headlights, taillights, and an AMG crest fitted to its bonnet. Its changes are beyond skin deep, too, with the incorporation of a 48-volt hybrid assist system in the powertrain. Additionally, there are new 19 and 20-inch wheels and a new steering wheel.